how's it going? Today we're gonna go over how to draw Spider-Man in a Christmas hat. It's gonna be a front view, so hopefully you enjoy it. It's gonna be easy, simple, and for beginners. So if you don't know how to draw, you're definitely gonna be able to draw this. Like definitely. Um, so that's pretty much it. I'm gonna be using a marker. You can use anything you want. Also, stick around for the whole lesson. It's only 8 minutes, so super short as well. And you will, like I said, you will be able to draw this. Just stay the whole time. And yeah, let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is, one thing is, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. When you subscribe, it lets me know, well, it helps the algorithm out, but also kind of lets me know who's here, who's subscribed. I'm like, oh, cool, that person's always here. Yeah, when you subscribe, it lets you know when I post as well. I'm posting 3 times a day, usually during this season. But yeah, it's gonna be a little more sporadic. The rest of it. The cool part about subscribing is for like next year, you'll just start seeing videos pop up in your feed, kind of like, oh, how to draw this. I'm like, oh, cool, maybe I will want to draw that. Next year when, because the channel goes dormant through the year, so you'll be like, oh, you don't even. So when you subscribe, it's kind of cool. It's like a little reminder for next year that you might want it as well. So let's get started. Sorry about that. A lot of rambling on my part. Gonna go over here. Pulling a line over here for the left side of Spider-Man's face. Going over here on this side. Pull down this side of Spider-Man's face. I'm already, well, okay, I'm going to go over here on this side, curve in for the jaw. Over here on this side, curve in for the jaw. Underneath here for the chin. Okay, so we got the bottom of his head, his face, mapped out. Let's go over here for, so I'm going to curved line across. It's going to be the hat. And I'm going to give the hat a little texture like this, see? Like this little, even though the primary shape is curved, it's going to have this texture to it, this little bubbly texture, because it's like a furry object. I'm going to pull up the side of this as well, because it's more or less like a square, right, or a rectangle. And I'm going to do the same thing over here on the top. I know right now it looks like he has ramen noodles on his head or something, but yeah, or he has like my haircut. But no, it is not that. I'm gonna curve a line over here for the hat. Down over here. Go over here on this side. From this side of that, pull in. It's obviously folding over. And then the ball at the end. I like to call it a popcorn ball, right? Down the side of his face. Okay. Let's go over here and find the eye, okay? I like to put 2 dots here for where the edges of the middle of the eyes are going to be, so I don't make one too big. It just kind of gives me a point to start off from. I'm going to go over here, curve up, like so. And then over here, and this one's going to scoop a little underneath more. Go over here on this side. Same thing. This one's going to scoop underneath more. I'm going to thicken the line right here. I just think it needs a thicker line around the edge. Just going to thicken this as well. Cool. And we're most of the way there, right? So now we just need the netting over his face. And I always say this middle part, it looks like a little explosion. Like a little cartoon explosion. That's kind of what I think about it. And it doesn't matter the number of prongs or whatever you put. You can put less, you can put more. It's not a big deal. You can even add more. So I'm going to grab that, then line, pull up. Go over here. Pull up here from this one. Well, it's all radiating from the center, right? So there would be one more or less going through there. one over here, one on this side, maybe over here as well. Let's pull the ones that are sticking out of here that I put down. Alrighty. Gonna continue to go over there. Pull in over here. Sweet. So we have these radiating lines from the center, which is incredibly important. And now I'm going to throw the other netting right. And maybe we're going to just, this is just, I'm ballparking it around there. It's like, you know, curved inward. And I'm going to just follow these around in a circular pattern. Just follow them around. Continue over here. It doesn't matter how many of these you put as well, as far as like the, like, you know, how many of those nettings should you put. There's no particular number. I was gonna draw his neck, but honestly what I like to do instead is draw a thicker line and stickerify him. I just draw a thicker, so I always say that, stickerify. Draw a thicker line around the outside, just the outside specifically, and it makes it look kind of like a sticker. Gotta fix that one. Kind of like a sticker there. But that's pretty much it. I'm still just doing this line. Thank you so much. Hit that like button if you enjoyed this. I'll put more like it. If you enjoyed it, do me a giant favor and share the video with a friend. When you share a video with a friend, it helps just, you know, lots of stuff. Not just the algorithm, but it brings in cool people. And that's kind of the most important part about me doing this, is having that benefit of really cool people around. I like that feeling a lot. It helps. I just drew another line in there for the fold. Probably should have said that. Looks like a Y now. But yeah, thank you so much. If you like that, like I said, share the video. It's awesome to kind of do this for you guys. Everybody's super nice. Like, I mean, wow. Everybody's so unbelievably nice here. I cannot believe it. But yeah, it's like, yeah, yeah, it's amazing. Thank you so much. I'll talk to you next time, and I will see you very soon, okay? If you want to know anything, let me know in the comments. If you want to request anything. Otherwise, do me a favor, check out the description, and you'll become a better artist by checking out the links there. Sorry, the favor is say hi to me in the comments. I'll say hi back. Later.